Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a user from your QuickBooks Online account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've hired a new bookkeeper for your QuickBooks Online account and you want to go ahead and remove your old bookkeeper from your QuickBooks Online account. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log into your QuickBooks account. Then on the upper right hand side, you want to click on this gear icon and then click on manage users. Now once you click on manage users, you're going to find a list of users that have been added to your QuickBooks account. So if you want to go ahead and remove this user here, Ryan C, all you've got to do is click on the drop down menu and then click on delete. So from here, it's going to give you a confirmation that you want to go ahead and delete this user. Just click on delete user. So once you give it a couple of seconds, it's going to go ahead and delete that user. And as you can see, he's been removed from my QuickBooks Online account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove a user from your QuickBooks Online account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.